friends, and welcome to day 3 of Mama Elephant's October 2024 release. Today we are introducing Round Tag Wishes and its coordinating creative cuts. And we are introducing Serenity Ornament creative cuts. I will be starting out with showing you some different options you have for the Round Tag Wishes set. This set contains 5 different circles, as well as a lot of images that can go inside. There are so many different combinations you can make with this set, and of course you can also choose to use a different image, for example one of the little agenda sets in the middle of the circle stamps. I had so much fun just setting out all my different inks on the table and trying to see what combinations would look cutest. I'm also showing you a couple of examples I made with the wreath stamp in the stamp set. Here you can see that I stamped it once in brown ink and then turned it and stamped it in different colors. This leads to a super cute multicolor effect. These are the dies included in the set. We have one tag and one more zigzag circle die. For this video I wanted to create a gift bag. I selected a couple of pattern papers that would go well with my tags. I will be using my goodie bag topper dies to create the top for my goodie bag. These goodie bags are so easy to put together, and especially if you want to create multiples, this is your go-to. After folding it over the score lines that the die creates, I'm stapling it together with a regular stapler. Next, you can decorate your goodie bag topper any way you like it. I'm just adding the tag and calling it done. Now let's move on to the Serenity Ornament creative cuts. These are the dies included in this set. There's a bauble, there's a scene that can go on the inside, and there is also a die that you can use to create a shaker. There is also a die for the metal ornament cap, as well as 2 dies that create fir tree branches. I couldn't choose between making a card or an ornament, so I'm doing both at the same time. I cut the backing piece once from white cardstock. I'm scoring it and folding it over to create the back for my card. This way you can use any shape of die cut to create the back for a card. I'm adhering it with some liquid glue and then setting it on the side to dry. I cut the inside scenery piece from both white cardstock as well as Kraft cardstock, and I snipped out the birch trees from the white piece. This way we can layer them, and my trees are a different color than the front. Once the scene is in place, we can add our cute little image. And I have one of the llamas left from yesterday, so that is what I'm using. Next, I'm adhering the metal ornament cap. For the sentiment, I'm putting together one of the holiday sentiment banners. I'm adding this piece as a separate ornament to the top of my card. I cut the backing piece from the Serenity Ornament creative cuts from a piece of acetate. I used some scissors to cut away the top piece. Now it's time to add some of the greenery behind my sentiment. I'm adding a couple of glue dots to adhere the acetate piece to the back. Once that is done, we can add our two different ornaments together. You can use any type of ribbon or twine to thread through your ornament. And that finishes my second project for today's video. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and leave a comment below for a chance to win a prize from Mama Elephant. And I will see you tomorrow for day 4 of introductions for this October release. The release will be available from the 15th of October. Bye!